is up, YouTube? We are heading up north to Higgins Lake, or South Higgins Lake State Park. Should be a fun little trip. We're going to be camping up there with my family. My parents and sister are coming up. We're also going to be doing some trail riding because there's a trailhead only maybe 10-15 minutes from the campground. And my mom is going to try the machine for the first time. She's never ridden in it, so I'm probably going to take it easy for a little bit and then hopefully try not to scare her too much. I'll see you guys out there. Here we are at the Higgins Lakes, South Higgins Lake trailhead, and guess who we got joining me for a ride today? It's my mom. I don't think she's ever... Have you ever been on any of my videos?
No.
No? So she's...
First time.
She's excited and nervous for the trail
Shout
ride.
out do mojej kochanej Basi. Dla ciebie, Basiu.
One person will understand what that means. But yeah, we're gonna get on the trailhead. We're gonna have a little camera recording, so get her reaction. So should be a fun time. It's pretty busy today. A lot of cars out.
Super cool.
Yeah, just take a second.
Włączyła się, jedziemy.
Woo, we're going, heading out on the trail. All right, where do we want to go? That's
like
good.
When I was younger, probably I would love it.
Yeah, yep. But now I get it because of that.